In this video, we basically used our cubes and made a whole bunch of variations of cubes by simply placing them with the move tool and duplicating by pressing Shift D and then clicking and then making sure it lines up with the rest. And if we want it, we can actually Shift D again. Once we have the selected cube we want to copy, we Shift D, we're going to drop it right here, and let's say we're going to change the size of this. So basically we're going to make sure we have our object over here, properties selected. We're going to go to our scale mode. This is the X, so it's going wider on the X axis, which is the red line you see. Let's make it this wide. Let's change the Y height, which is the green. Okay, and let's change it to this length. The Z axis is this one right here, which is up and down. Change it to that. And now we just move it over, rotate around that object, and we see we have another box. Alright, so let's go to our let's go to shading. Alright, so we have our shading. This right here is the light source. This is the sun, this is the light source. So like let's just go up here, this arrow, click on this ball. We click on this arrow here, this ball, choose which light source we want. So as you can see, the light is coming from this side, the shadow is on the back side. Okay, so let's say if we want to change it to a different one, cloudy, more darker. And as you can see, the light source is still on that side. Okay, so now let's just change out some more information. Okay, script, we can change zero glare, seeing lights, seeing world. Oh. Alright, so this is lights. That's seeing world. Seeing lights. The shadow, it's a little shadow up top when you hit the seeing lights. Wait. See? That's it for this. Oh yeah, and like down here, you can go with the Alt key and like move this around. This is our select something up here, our base cube. Let's change it, the colors, and you can get different colors like that. But that's it for this video.